Before we start, this video is for educational purposes only. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system made for cybersecurity professionals. Please use the tools and techniques shown responsibly and never use them for illegal activities. You're fully responsible for your actions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox, the easiest and cleanest way. Let's begin. Step 1. Get Kali. First, open Chrome in incognito mode. Search for Get Kali. Click on the first website, which is Kali's official site. Now scroll down and look for VirtualBox images. Click on that, then hit the download icon next to the version you want. If you're seeing a .7z file downloading, that's perfect. Now I already have it downloaded, so I'll skip this part. Once downloaded, extract that .7z file using any tool like 7-zip or WinRAR and save it somewhere safe. Step 2. Download VirtualBox. Next, let's get VirtualBox. Open Chrome again in incognito mode. Search for Oracle VirtualBox Download. Click on the official Oracle website. Find the section for Windows hosts and click the download link. Once it's downloaded, double-click the .exe file and go through the setup steps. Due to some internet issues, I'm skipping the install process here, but it's just a regular setup, nothing fancy. Step 3. Add Kali to VirtualBox. Now open Oracle VirtualBox. Click Add and select the folder where you extracted that kali.vbox file. Click on it and it'll be added to your list. Under the Description tab, you'll find the username and password. For most versions, it's simply Kali as both username and password, all in lowercase and case sensitive. Now either double-click your Kali machine or select it and click Start. Step 4. Boot Kali Linux. The machine will now start booting. You'll see the black screen. Just press Enter when prompted. Wait for a few seconds. Then enter the username and password. Again, both are Kali. Wait a bit and boom. Your Kali Linux desktop is now ready. You'll step 5 for security update. Before we do anything, let's make it secure. Click the terminal icon in the top left corner to open terminal. Now type this command, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Then press Enter. It will ask for the password, type Kali again. Wait for the installation to finish. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet. If it asks you for confirmation, just type Y and hit Enter. You can stop at any time using Control-C. Once it's done, type Clear to clean up your terminal screen. Step 6. Explore Tools. Now close the terminal. Click on the top left Kali icon. Here, you'll see a ton of pre-installed tools categorized neatly. One popular tool is Nmap, used for network scanning. You'll find tools for information gathering, vulnerability analysis, password attacks, and more. Explore based on what you need. Step 7. Shut down Kali. To shut down Kali properly, go to the top right corner and click the power button, then choose Power Off. Done. That's it. Your Kali Linux setup is complete. Let's wrap this up with a quick tip. Kali Linux is used by ethical hackers, penetration testers, and cybersecurity researchers. Tools like Nmap, Burp Suite, Hydra, Wireshark, and Metasploit are all built in and powerful. But always remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Practice on your own systems or legal testing environments only. If you want videos on hacking tools like Nmap, Wireshark, or Burp Suite, comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow learners. See you in the next video.